I have a Prevost lock here. Here it is the bitting. Quite challenging. Lock does work. Just the tail piece got stuck here and here, so we will know when it's picked. I just got the bottom of the kiwi tension wrench. And let's go if we can get it picked. Just the first pin. Get a faucet out of him. Just keep going. Got my faucet back. Just fighting against one single pin. Don't want to get picked. Here we go. The lock is open. I just dropped my tension wrench. The lock is open. And I will show you that all the pins are inside of the lock. Get my screwdriver. Try to not mess this up. Since we are key, so let's lock it back together. Just removing that tail piece. Here we go. Just pry it out. Set that aside. I would use the key. Just get a round bar, 1/2 of an inch bar. Jam that in there. Use that as a plug follower. All 5 pins are in the plug. One, 2, 3. Hope you can see that. They are there. 5, 4, 5. They're all in there. So get those devils back into place. And just zeros, spools, just oversized long spools. 4 of them, and the first one is standard. So I won't waste more of your time, and please stay legal.